Hello dear friends, today I am excited to show you how to effortlessly fast forward or rewind your media content with ease and convenience, then on 60 seconds or 30 seconds on YouTube. So initially, we have the ability to rewind only for 10 seconds. Much like we see forward and backward, it's 10 seconds. To make it 60 seconds, we need to go to the main menu. After, on the bottom right, we see our avatar. Click on it to go to the main menu. Here, we go to the gear, after which we need to scroll down to locate the playback option. Once found, click on the playback button, and then here, it is necessary to choose to fast forward or rewind the time. We choose this button, after which we see 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20, 30, and 60. So we can choose any time we want to skip. Let's select 60 seconds. Press 60 seconds, go back. In profile, after which we go here and click. Now let's try to skip 60 seconds. You see, we're skipping. Currently, we have 1 minute and 08 seconds on the clock, and we are aiming to complete this task in exactly 2 minutes and 09 seconds. So now we constantly skip ahead by 60 seconds during playback. Friends, the method worked. So don't forget to subscribe and like. It's important for my support. And right back. Did my method help you in the comments? See you soon.